Hi boys and girls. Today we have a little bit of a different lesson in store for us today. Today we are going to be baking. How exciting! These are the ingredients that you will need. Remember, the first thing that you need to do when you are baking is wash your hands. So make sure you have all gone to wash your hands. Now we are going to mix all of our ingredients together. The first thing we're going to put into our mixing bowl is the butter. Remember, you can use margarine if you like. Then we are going to put in the flour. Next, we are putting in our icing sugar. And lastly, we're going to put in our salt. And now we need to use all our big muscles to mix all the ingredients together. We're going to use our hands and our fingers to make sure they are properly incorporated. I have been mixing my dough now for quite a while. And all the ingredients are well incorporated. And it's almost like a dough now, kind of like Play-Doh that you play with. This is the correct texture. If it is too sticky and it sticks to your finger, then you need to add some flour. If it is crumbly and hard, you need to add some water until you get the perfect texture. Now we need to roll our dough out. So we're going to put a little bit of flour on our table. This is to ensure that our dough does not stick. And then we're going to cut our dough out a little bit. Now you can take a rolling pin if you've got. If you do not have a rolling pin, you can take maybe a jar of tomato sauce, or you can even use your hands to pat down the dough. I'm going to roll my dough out until it is flat like a pancake. I have now rolled out my dough, and as you can see, it looks almost like a little pancake. Now we can cut our dough into shapes. I have a star cookie cutter that I'm going to use. If you do not have a cookie cutter, you can just use a glass. I will show you how to do it with both. All you do is you put your cutter down, you push hard, you give it a little wiggle, and then your cookie comes out. It's the same with a cup or a glass. You put it down, you push, and out comes your cookie. You're going to carry on doing that until your dough is finished. You are then going to put them onto a greased baking sheet. Like this. I have now cut all my cookie dough into shapes, and I've placed them onto the baking tray. I've spread the cookies nice and evenly. We can now put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until your cookies are a lovely golden brown color. So I've just taken our cookies out of the oven, and as you can see, they're beautiful golden brown in color. They look absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to try them. Delicious!